This cocktail is from Mabel in Paris, and it is called Mon Fizz. Our first ingredient is a touch of white vermouth, 20 mils. Next up, 30 mils of gin. Now we're gonna add some pistachio syrup, a good 15 mils. 20 milliliters of freshly pressed lemon juice. And now I'm gonna add 1 egg white. The unusual thing about this drink is the egg yolk. It's reserved for the garnish. Now all my ingredients are inside. I'm gonna give it a dry shake. That's a quick shake without ice to get the egg whites just emulsifying in the drink. Now that I've kick-started my shake, I'm gonna add my ice and chill it down. Now taking my glass, I'm gonna single strain and add just a touch of soda water. Now for my garnishes, take 1 mint leaf for my drink, and for my egg yolk chaser, a touch of Tabasco. And that is the Mon Fizz. Enjoy.